Okay, hi, welcome to the IPI Converse podcast. And this is my first time on the podcast. I'm Craig Farley, Head of Solution Consulting at IPI.
I'm Iain Bennett, also first time at the IPI Converse suite. So looking forward to it. Thank you for having me, Craig.
You're welcome. And we're going to be talking about AI today. So we heard about some of the challenges with AI just then in that last question. And I think one of the challenges is there's a lot of misconceptions about AI, a lot of myths, which perpetuates that fear and complexity that we talked about at the start. What can businesses and partners do, AI companies do to try and dispel some of those myths and make sure that we are not making some of the mistakes that we've made in the past with other technologies and hype?
I think one of the big ones, and we've said it all the way through, but it's true. It's not a silver bullet. It's not going to come straight in, change everything, absolutely do everything you want it to do.
It's not self-aware.
Exactly. And
yet.
Yet. Yeah.
Sorry, I grew up on Terminator films, so I...
Yeah, but again, that's also an issue. What you say there is absolutely true. We also need to change, because I think that's where a lot of our fear of AI comes from, Terminator films, things like that. And we may have to change our views on AI as well and what it can do for us. I think it's not a silver bullet. I think that we also need to, I think there's a real fear that AI is being overused as a term. And again, that I appreciate that's because a lot of people want to make money out of it quite quickly. So the AI, everything's got AI in it. My iPhone's got AI in it. However, if you look for the AI in it, it's actually, you'll find that Apple hasn't fully got there yet. So everything's got AI, the word AI in it.
My toaster's got AI in it.
Exactly. AI kettles, get up in the morning, it says good morning to you. It is literally overused term. And I think that's one of the big problems that we've got, is that AI means completely different things to every single person. So,
and it is different things, right? It's
absolutely.
Not just one umbrella thing. It's lots of different facets to it.
Absolutely. I mean, your experience and your interactions with AI will be completely different to mine. So for instance, I drive down the road today to come to the office. I'm talking to my AI. My AI is talking back to me, and we're solving complex issues together. So I'm literally interacting via voice to AI. Other people might not use that. They might not have that interaction with AI. So I think that's the difference.
It's a toolbox rather than a tool.
Absolutely, yeah. Absolutely, it really is a toolbox. And yeah, I think that is the thing. And I think AI, because it's going to be hitting so many industries and it's going to be doing so many different things, like AI self-driving. You've got the physical AI that's going to be coming. We know that Tesla and other people are building proper robots which will have artificial intelligence in them. So again,
like the Terminator.
Yeah. But yeah, exactly that. I think they're saying in 5 years' time we could potentially, for the price of a car, have a robot working for us in our houses. How you feel about that, I don't know. Personally,
terrified.
Yeah, and I've watched videos of them, and I'm like, well, I don't know. First of all, I don't know if I want it. I know straight away my wife would be telling me that's not coming in here today. So yeah, I think it's one of those things that we've got to get used to AI. But I think the terminology, it seems like 2 letters is really an injustice to what it actually is. Mm-hmm. And I think we've got to start. This is the weirdest part. It took me a long time to get my head around this. You've got to start thinking of it as, you said this earlier about a different species, but you've got to, as an entity in its own right, that can think for itself, because it is, over time, it's becoming so quick and it's so intelligent that it is going to surpass us. I mean, if you listen to it, it's already surpassed us, but it will only get cleverer and cleverer.
It's already surpassed me.
Surpassed me the day it switched on, but we'll stop there.